2NURFM, a broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.
Gav, we missed you last time, but you've come through with the goods today.
You missed me. I was here. You weren't.
Yeah, I know. I didn't get to eat any of last week's either.
No, that was unfortunate. We had a Cajun chicken burger.
Yeah, of course. What I would think would be the absolute best thing you could bring in.
Yeah, it even had pineapple fritter on it.
I know. I had to turn up and try it for real. Look, we've been asking our listeners on our Facebook page just wanting to bring in their suggestions, maybe some of the items they would love. Some I'm in love with, some I'm not all that fussed with. Minestrone soup, that's a win.
Yeah, that's a beautiful dish.
What else have we got there? We've got lasagna. We've also got honeycomb tripe.
Yeah, I can do that.
Crumb brains in white sauce. Let's just pretend that one never happened.
I quite like crumb brains. A nice nutty flavour, a little bit of bacon. It'd be beautiful. I might do that one.
Yeah. Thank you very much. And I think Roy's suggestion or Rob's suggestion, the best one. We need to move the microphone. It blends in with your beard for those who watch this.
Yeah, I'm going to stalk him later.
Oh, dear. Let's move on today. So you've got a nice pork dish for us, and I'm loving the look of this. This is fantastic.
Yeah, pork belly rolled, stuffed, rolled and braised. So it's got apples, garlic, herbs, all sorts of beautiful things right in the middle of it. And the recipe's up. It does take a little while, and there is a little technique in it. Okay. But other than that, the mash is really interesting because we use...
It is interesting looking.
Yeah, butternut pumpkin, boiled in thickened cream, and then instead of straining it to mash it, you blend it with the cream it's cooked in, and then season it, and then we add the raw apple to it afterwards.
This
so you
is
get
really
an
nice.
apple flavour through the pumpkin.
It is a very nice. It's sort of not a massively strong flavour.
No.
It's just there, adding something to the pork.
Delicate.
And little bits of, we've got pineapple
we did sweet and... It's
everything.
Chinese pork, sweet and sour pork's very old traditional dish. So this is just like a take on it where we braise the pork. We tie it up, with kitchen string, not garden hoses. Okay. And we tie it up and braise it, and then we use a really simple sweet and sour with capsicum and pineapple, sugar, vinegar. Very simple.
All the usual. It looks very nice, looks very appealing, and tastes lovely. It's,
you like that one?
Yeah, again, not one of those massively strong flavours. It's not pulling you in one direction or the other. It's just there.
You've been watching too many MasterChefs. It's just a delicate... What was last night? Herbaceous and aggressive seasoning. Just imagine the salt and pepper getting in there.
Yeah. This doesn't actually fall into either of those categories,
no, it doesn't.
I don't feel. Aggressive seasoning, love it.
Yeah, I love it. I spent the evening shouting at the TV, but that's okay.
Yeah, we'll get you on that program, I'm sure, down the road. I'll have a look at this. The recipe is available at 2NURFM.com. You can have a bit of a look at it. Gav, thank you for this.
Not a problem.
We'll catch you in a fortnight.
Not a problem. Enjoy it.
There we go. 2NURFM 103.7.